Here I have Motorola Moto G5S Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So first of all, open your camera. And here in camera at the upper bar you have a button timer. You can set it on 3 seconds or you can set it on 10 seconds. Let's set it on 3 seconds and try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer worked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.